going to get raised up about 150 feet, and he's going to send home a red-tailed hawk that's been here at Green Chimneys for the last 2 months being rehabilitated. And it won't be long after that till Jeffrey goes home. I asked Jeffrey to write something. He did this all on his own. Jeff?
Good afternoon. My name is Jeffrey. Today I am releasing a red-tailed hawk. Quite frankly, when I came to Green Chimneys, I was struggling. Me and the bird both needed care to be successful. It wouldn't happen overnight. I've learned so much in my time at Green Chimneys, so much insight has taken me so far. I have prepared myself for a successful discharge. I would like you all to know how grateful I am. I am looking forward to my future. Always have to remember that. Me and the bird both had to make change and progress for here today. For you to be fulfilling an independent life.
Yeah!
You know, it's really true. You can't follow kids and you can't follow animals. But we have a wonderful, wonderful friend at Green Chimneys who's going to try.